How to install and set up duplicate post in WordPress. This tutorial assumes that you are already logged into the WordPress admin panel with admin user. Now let's learn how to install and set up duplicate post plugin in WordPress. Duplicate post plugin allows users to clone posts of any type or copy them to new drafts for further editing. Point the mouse on plugins and then click on the Add New menu. In the Search Plugins window, search for Duplicate Post. We have searched the plugin here. Click the Install Now button. That's it! You have successfully installed the Duplicate Post plugin. Click on the Activate button in order to activate the plugin. The Duplicate Post plugin is activated now. Now let's set up and configure the plugin. Click on the Settings option. Keep the post or page elements to copy options as it is, or you can enable or disable them as per your requirements. In Title Prefix window, type your desired prefix. In Title Suffix window, type your desired suffix. Leave the Increase Menu Order By window blank. In the Do Not Copy These Fields window, type in the comma-separated list of meta fields that you don't want to be copied while duplicating a post or page. Leave the Do Not Copy These Taxonomies option as it is. You can customize all these options as per your requirements. Now click on the Save Changes button. Scroll up and click on the Permissions tab. Permissions option lists all the roles that can edit the posts. Configure Roles Allowed to Copy settings as per your requirements. Enable for these post types option lists the post types which have a default user interface to add and manage items. Then click Save Changes. Now click on the Display tab. The Show Links in options control where to show the links added to the plugin to the WordPress user interface. Configure the settings as per your requirement. Click Save Changes. That's it! You have successfully configured the Duplicate Post plugin. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to install and set up Duplicate Post plugin in WordPress.